Come test drive the 2017 Mazda 6. Exceptionally stylish and fun to drive, the Mazda 6 has quality, dependability, and reliability at the heart of its design. This acclaimed sports sedan appeals to your senses and your wallet. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, child safety locks, trip computer, power brakes, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, daytime running lights, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today. Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough 160-point detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited vehicle warranty, 0 deductible on covered repairs, and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.